Looking for the perfect gift idea for Christmas? Something practical, thoughtful, and a total game changer in the kitchen? Say hello to the 8-in-1 Mandoline slicer. This genius kitchen gadget isn't just a slicer, it's an all-in-one powerhouse. It slices, grates, peels, and even comes with a built-in strainer. That's right, whether you're prepping potatoes, slicing carrots, or grating onions, this tool has got you covered. You'll love how it makes veggie prep effortless. Need perfectly julienned carrots? Done. Want to grate cheese in seconds? Easy. And peeling potatoes? It's like magic. But wait, there's more. It's compact, easy to clean, and durable enough to handle all your holiday cooking and beyond. This is the ideal gift for moms, wives, sisters, anyone who loves cooking or simply wants to save time in the kitchen. It's the gift that says, I care about your time and sanity. So why settle for ordinary gifts when you can give the ultimate kitchen upgrade? 8-in-1 Mandoline slicer, a thoughtful gift for Christmas or any kitchen enthusiast. Make their holiday season extra special with a gift that's practical, stylish, and